I'll wait near the rocks, huh? Today is 10th of January 2025 and 6 of us from Goa are on 3 days, 2 nights tour in a village called Patiya in Karnataka. Karnataka is this side and it is between Ramnagar and Londa. We 6 of us started from Goa, Madgaon and Ponda and came to Mole. We brought our cycles on the car and so the 6 of us started the ride from Mole. The ride was supposed to start at 6:30 a.m. but one of the cars had a major technical problem and by the time we resolved that problem, it was already 3.5 hours late. So instead of starting at 6:30 a.m. from Mole, we started at 9:45 a.m. from Mole and now we have ridden up the Anmod Ghat. It's a continuous climb we did of about 12 kilometers and we have stopped here. We are halting here to see one particular very interesting place. This place is extremely interesting. I'll just show you around. 3 of us are already here, okay? And I'll show you around why this place is so interesting and so important. We just wait for 3 more guys to join and meet the other guys. Here is Charlton, Flavian. There's Steve for you.
Almod.
Yes, beautiful ghat climb, right? Yeah. I was here a few days ago and I made a video about this same place.
Yeah, I saw it.
Yeah.
This place it was, huh?
Yeah.
That's
So-
the rock.
That's the rock. So here are 2 more guys, Ashpak and Francis. This is the highway that connects Panji, Ponda, all the cities of Goa with Belgaum. So this side is Belgaum. So this is our touring group. Actually, we have done many tours, especially with Flavian. Our touring history goes back to 2018, starting from Mumbai to Goa, Kanyakumari to Goa, Sikkim tour. Then Francis joined us, then Charlton joined us. And Ashpak also was here for some of the tours. And for this particular tour, he is the main guy. He is the one...
Admin sir.
And admin sir. And he's the one who actually decided that we should camp at this particular site because that particular field where we are going to camp, we are going to tent tonight and tomorrow night also. That field belongs to his acquaintance, his friend.
My colleague who is working with me and he stays there. That place is around 10 kilometers from Ramnagar and 5 kilometers from Londa. And it is inside the village, which is like surrounded by a lot of hills, river and the open field. So it's very amazing place to camp on.
Camping, yeah.
Yeah.
So we're going to pitch 2 tents there. Yeah, there's a river also. No?
Yeah, I said river.
It's
Right.
recorded.
And we are going to have some fantastic local food, right?
Yes.
We'll be getting it from Sushant only.
Yes,
So Sushant will be
food.
That is
totally
homemade
homemade food. And thanks to him. And
Flavian.
Flavian has also taken a lot of trouble in organizing this.
It's about
newcomers,
Yeah,
Steve.
and Steve has joined us for the first time on the tour.
Oh.
And we have ridden 12 kilometers roughly up the ghat.
Admin Flavian encountered the Gaurado.
Oh yeah,
Oh, yeah,
and Francis, you spotted a Flavian. Flavian spotted a gaur, which is known as Indian bison also. Just few kilometers up the ghat, and this whole area is actually Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary and National Park. So there are chances you will see a leopard as well. And this wildlife sanctuary, which is known as Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary in Goa, is connected to Bhimgad Wildlife Sanctuary in Karnataka. So another 4 and 5 kilometers into the ghat, and we'll
And
be crossing into Karnataka
We'll
from
be
Goa.
going through that part of that.
Yes, we'll be passing through Bhimgad. In fact, we'll be staying in Bhimgad, I think.
Yeah,
Bhimgad
it's a
Sanctuary.
BIM sanctuary
Right.
only.
So it's going to be wonderful 3 days, 2 nights camping. And as I said before, this particular place, why we have stopped here, is seen here. You can see all these rocks here. I made a video of these rocks a few days ago. All the details are in that video and the link to that video is in the description. So we'll just give you a tour of this very interesting place. You can see these beautifully shaped rocks. Look at the shapes. So beautiful shape of this rock. Especially that rock, you know. Every time we travel to Belgaum, I used to think this may roll off and fall onto the road. Look, I think this is the rock that is supporting it. No? This rock is supporting this. If this is displaced, I think the whole thing will come crashing.
That is the stones I have kept there.
You kept it. Look. So you know what is the specialty of this? This is 3,600 million years old rock. Not only this, all the rock around this. And it has got very complicated name, Trondheimite gneiss. The spelling will be seen in the video. It's a very complicated spelling and pronunciation is Trondheimite gneiss. And Flavian, when I mentioned this earlier, he had a doubt. Bloody, how the hell do you know it is so old? Flavian, I don't know personally. I read the research papers based on this, which was done by Geology Department of University, and they've done iridium dating of this. There's a dating, carbon dating, iridium dating. So one of those datings is used to date this, and a similar, exactly same type of rock is found on Palole Beach.
Yeah, Palolem beach is
They
there.
So let us-
one of them traveled here, got fight with this.
No,
fellow.
maybe you threw one of them from here to Palolem beach.
Palole
Maybe
Beach.
possible. Francis love Flavian. Flavian love
So we'll just take a walk up, and there are some really beautiful and huge rocks up there. So let us just
He knows what
walk a little. We can go up like this, left and up to this particular rock. Yeah, just walk this way and go up to that rock. Be careful, huh? This side is better.
Which side?
Yeah, where Francis is coming.
Francis, yeah, come on, बाहर काट.
तूने मेरे को ऐसे ही उठाया रे
Ah, look from here.
All are साला ऐसे रहा आया था.
all the way that side.
Yeah. Hey. Flavian. Look at that one.
Thank you so much.
क्या था हाँ भाई? Look at that huge one.
One piece. One piece cut piece.
So now we're heading back, right, to the road, onto the bike and to Patiye. We're going to have lunch at Ramnagar, I guess. Yeah, lunch at Ramnagar or somewhere on the way.
Because after that there's nothing. Till Ramnagar. Sorry. Yeah.
What is this? Poppins?
Black. Coca.
सही है
Go. You're going to cross that bridge or you're going to jump down?
No, not jumping down.
Wow. Super.
No, my glasses fell down.
Where? But you know they fell down, they bounced on the rock.
No, just fell down.
No, they fell on the rock and they bounced here.
Where you fell?
There it was. Where you jumped to, no? From top. How is it?
Nice. Salted. We need salted, no?
So this
Nothing
straight
bad.
route goes to Ramnagar, no?
This straight goes to
Ramnagar, and after Ramnagar, if it turns right, it will go to Dandeli,
Yes,
correct?
yes,
And to Hubli also.
yes.
But what we are going to do is we are going to turn left here,
Yeah.
right? So basically, we'll be entering into Bhimgad Wildlife Sanctuary. We're coming from Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary.
Around 4.5 kilometers you have to go inside.
Yeah, and then turn right
And-
again. And come back to the same highway in
Yeah,
further.
same
Okay. because there's a work going on here.
This road is very bad. Very.
The railway track work is going on. So basically we are going to enter from Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary into Bhimgad Wildlife Sanctuary. Goa. Flavian, is this the trail? So 6 to 7 kilometers of gravel like this, gravel road. Will take us to the camping site. So we are leaving the main road, riding on this. Great. 6 kilometers.
Kilometers like this road, off-road.
Okay. There is some interesting rock formations. How many million years you are saying? 4,000. Maybe tomorrow morning we can go in.
Yes.
Explore.
Tomorrow we'll
Morning we can explore the area fully. Yeah, this is Jungle Crow. We have reached the destination. This is Patiya village and he is welcoming us. Huh? A nice little village. We'll be camping beyond the village. We'll be passing through the village and camp in the fields behind this village. This is Sushant's house.
Yeah, this is Sushant.
Sushant is our host.
There is not a single shop in this village.
Chota bhi nahi na. What is this?
You take photos of this.
Yeah. हे काय आहे? कसलं आहे? हां झाडू बनवता याची. ओके झाडू मारायला. कसलं झाड आहे ते? हां इथे रानात येते ते. ओके. There we go into the fields. Wow, look at that. Super. Lovely. This is where we are going to camp for 2 nights. Yeah. Super. Yeah. Yeah.
Down you have to go. There is a stream. Means
Huh.
water is there.
What is it?
So it will be accessible. Means very close to that thing. Or we camp under this tree.
Huh.
That will be more open, and this will be like
Some shade we'll get.
shade in the same. We don't require shade, but still
Still we can camp there. No problem.
They
Near,
point out?
near the water.
near the water.
Yeah.
Means water we have to go down little.
Yeah.
Same place.
So it's, yeah. So,
So this is the field in Patiya village between Ramnagar and Londa, where we are going to camp for 2 nights. We have come cycling all the way from Mole in Goa. Tent getting ready, 1 tent. We are going to have 2 tents, right?
yeah, we are having 2 tents.
Each tent has capacity of 4.
4.
It can take 4 people. The
Since
first
we are
tent,
Since we are 6, we can do
3,
3.
3, yeah.
Comfortably we can sleep.
चला सांगा अभी आया
उधर. Just plug in. I like this place.
lovely. Place is really beautiful.
This you tight now.
One tent is completely ready and we are heading to the stream for a dip. Let's go, Fleven.
Yeah, let's go.
Chod. Yeah. So this is the stream where we're going to take a dip, nice refreshing dip after grueling ride.
उन लोग को आने को और कितना नहीं तो भी 1 घंटा और लगेगा
लग नहीं रहा है
हाँ नहीं आप लोग 1 घंटा लगेगा और उन लोग को
Heading back to the tent after the dip in the stream. Water was really chill but refreshing. The campfire is on. Temperatures have gone a little low and we are all waiting for the dinner to arrive. Finally we're retiring in the tent, na?
Yes.
After fantastic ride, fantastic dip in the stream, and super food provided by Sushant, and thanks to his mother for giving us that bhakri and no,
Everybody say thank
fantastic.
you to her.
Yeah.
It was really nice.
It was great food, no? Fleven,
Yes.
how many layers of socks and you're putting
2
on?
I'll put 2 layers of socks
So tomorrow we are planning to wake up early and go for a walk.
जिसको जाना है वो
So good night, guys. Good night.
Good night.
good night